The Wheel of Meditative Concentration, Samādhi Chakra. The Noble Mahāyāna Sūtra, The Wheel of Meditative Concentration. Translated by the Sarasvatī Translation Team, under the patronage and supervision of 84,000, translating the words of the Buddha, and read by Cargill. The translation. Homage to all Buddhas and Bodhisattvas. Thus did I hear at one time. The Blessed One was residing on Vulture Peak in Rajagaya, accompanied by a sangha of 1,250 bhikshus and a sangha of innumerable countless bodhisattvas, surrounded also by various retinues of gods, nagas, yakshas, and other beings. He was teaching them the Dharma. At that time, the Blessed One was absorbed in the meditative concentration called Wheel of Meditative Concentration. Through the power of that meditative concentration, all the Buddha lands shook and were illuminated by a great light. Then the Bodhisattva, youthful Mañjuśrī, who was present in that retinue, rose from his seat and said to the Blessed One, Blessed One, your absorption in the wheel of meditative concentration is amazing. Sugata, it is truly amazing. The Blessed One asked, Mañjuśrī, do you know the very limit of reality? I know it, Blessed One, replied the Bodhisattva Mañjuśrī. Mañjuśrī, where is the very limit of reality? Asked the Blessed One. Mañjuśrī replied, Blessed One, the very limit of reality is where it is not. Mañjuśrī, where is it not? Asked the Blessed One. Mañjuśrī replied, Blessed One, it is without any location. The Blessed One asked, Mañjuśrī, what is meditation? Mañjuśrī replied, Blessed One, meditation means non-meditation. Then Mañjuśrī asked, how does the Tathagata teach the Dharma? Mañjuśrī, replied the Blessed One, I teach the Dharma to the effect that forms are undestroyed and unborn. I teach the Dharma to the effect that feelings, perceptions, formations, and consciousness are undestroyed and unborn. I turn the wheel of Dharma to the effect that attachment, hatred, and ignorance are undestroyed and unborn. I have taught that in this way, no phenomenon whatsoever has been destroyed or produced in the state of unsurpassed, perfect, and complete awakening. Then, though he already knew the answer, the Blessed One asked the youthful Mañjuśrī, Mañjuśrī, do you know the sphere of phenomena? I know it if I focus on it, replied Mañjuśrī. The Blessed One asked, Mañjuśrī, do you know the world that is experienced? Blessed One, the world is merely that which is experienced by people who are illusory apparitions. Blessed One, that which is called the world is essentially a non-existent thing. The Blessed One said, the Tathagata wishes to hear the Dharma. Demonstrate your inspired speech. Mañjuśrī asked, with what should I begin to demonstrate my inspired speech? Begin with the sphere of phenomena, Mañjuśrī, replied the Blessed One. Blessed One, I do not see any phenomenon that is not the sphere of phenomena. Those who have unfounded pride will be afraid, said the Blessed One. Blessed One, replied Mañjuśrī, if the very limit of reality is afraid, then those who have unfounded pride will be afraid. Why? Because the very limit of reality and those who have unfounded pride are one and the same, and indistinguishable. Mañjuśrī, said the Blessed One, you are a Vajra basis. Blessed One, said Mañjuśrī, since all phenomena are indivisible and inconceivable, they too are Vajra bases. Why are they said to be Vajra bases? Because sentient beings do not exist and things do not exist. They too are Vajra bases. Blessed One, such a very limit of reality does not exist. Whatever is such a limit neither comes nor goes. Blessed One, dwelling on the meaning of having such a limit, one meditates on the meaning of the absence of an intrinsic nature, keeps to remote places, and abandons distractions. Then Venerable Sariputra said to the Bodhisattva Mañjuśrī, Mañjuśrī, the Dharma you have taught is amazing. Honourable Shariputra, it is not so amazing, replied Mañjuśrī. The uncontaminated arhats are not vessels for this Dharma teaching. Why? Because a Dharma teaching like this does not engage with the attributes of ordinary beings. It does not engage with the attributes of arhats. It does not engage with the attributes of Pratyeka Buddhas, and it does not engage with the attributes of Tathagatas. It does not engage at all in the observation of phenomena. This is because it neither engages in nor retreats from anything. This is because all phenomena are void. Mañjuśrī, will you say what you had in mind? Honourable Shariputra, replied Mañjuśrī, if the state of an arhat is the state in which attachment, hatred, and ignorance have been extinguished, then of what can they be a vessel? Of what kind of Dharma can they be a vessel? It is with this in mind that I say that arhats whose contaminants have been extinguished are not vessels for this Dharma teaching. Honourable Shariputra, do you esteem this as a Dharma without death and rebirth? Mañjuśrī, I do. Then the Blessed One said to the Bodhisattva Mañjuśrī, Mañjuśrī, excellent, excellent. You are to be praised for your mastery of the meaning of the profound Dharma. After the Blessed One had spoken thus, the Bodhisattva, youthful Mañjuśrī, the Venerable Shariputra, and the world with its gods, humans, asuras, and Gandharvas rejoiced and praised what the Blessed One had said. This concludes the Noble Mahāyāna Sūtra, the Wheel of Meditative Concentration.